My grandma is planting flowers. My grandma is watering the flowers.
My grandma is telling me a story. My grandma is resting. My grandma is drinking tea. My grandma is eating cookies. My grandma is putting the flowers into the vase. My grandma is watching TV. My grandma is cooking.
My grandma is knitting.
My grandma is feeding the fishes.
My grandma is washing dishes.
My grandma is vacuuming the carpet. My grandma is folding the clothes.
My grandma is doing the laundry.
My grandma is picking up vegetables.